Hello YouTube, Braden Steels here. I'm getting internet hooked up at the new house, so there should be a lot more videos coming. Basically the 98 Hyundai video was the last time I had internet, so I have to upload it at other people's places and whatnot. So I'm gonna do what do we got here? -13 or about a -2 Fahrenheit cold start of my 99 Cavi. This is my daily driver, so this is just an everyday cold start. Like that. It always starts good, this one. It's got 287,674 K on it. Just recently put a new center force dual friction stage 2 clutch in it. And bunch of stuff. So anyways, there'll be more videos to come here in the future, guys, so keep subbing and we'll see what happens.